Okay, 31st is an interesting one. Let's see who is doing it. 210% of 5, 5% of 243, 47% of 5. What is the rule of percentages? We can interchange the percentages. We can interchange percentages. So instead of 210% of 5, I can write it as 5% of 210. Then it becomes 5% common out, and then it becomes 210 plus 243 plus 47. That is nothing but 47 plus 243 is 290. 290 plus 210 is nothing but 400. 5% of 400 is nothing but 20. Sorry, 500 of 5% is nothing but 25. 210 plus 290, 500. 5% of 500, that is nothing but 25. Okay, next one. Square root 2401 3964 3136 equal to 22 plus 6. Okay, firstly, are all these three things perfect squares? Yes. The units place, just check the units place. If the units place are all the values are the perfect square, then it is a perfect square. Answer, yes, Tarushi. Online people, if you are finding it a bit far, do it slow, no issues. Okay, from 30 to 36, I'll just keep it open like this. Solve it and let me know the method, whatever you're using for it. Okay, who solved it online? Anyone? Okay, 2401 is nothing but 49. 49, 63 minus 56 equal to 32 point plus x. That is going to be 112 minus 88 equal to x. X is equal to 24. All got this? All got this? Yes, the others? Okay, next one. This is 37.5. How can you make it a better number? I do not want it to be in decimals. If I want to make it a decimal, or you can do 2 into thing, right? 2 into this. It becomes 70. What's 37.5 into 2? 75. 75 into 7. 75 into 7 plus 800 plus 86 square minus 136. What is 86 square? How to find it out? 7396. 86 square is 7396 minus 136. Find out. That is your answer. What is 75 into 7? 75 7s are 75 into 6. 450. 450 plus 75. 525. Easy, right? Split it, remember it. Then plus 525 plus 800 plus 7396 minus 136. That is going to give you 8585. That's how much you should only tell what I am asking. I'm doing mental mathematics. You are asking me how much. See, whenever you get point or decimal, try to convert it into a whole number. That is one concept that you need to understand. Percentage, it can be interchanged. Remember that. And whenever you are adding, add common numbers in order to make it a whole number. 43 plus 57 because so we said 100. Okay. Now 21 into 23. Again, you can split it in between. This becomes 22 square minus 1 square. 112 into 106. I taught you a method, right? How to multiply two bigger numbers? Yes or no? 112 into 106. How much is it more than 100? 12. How much is it more than 100? 6. This becomes 11800. So then 12 6 are 72. This becomes 11872. This is the answer for this one. Remember or don't remember? You don't remember it? 3. See, you are having 37.5, right? Try to make it a whole number. How to make it a whole number? Multiply it by 2. It becomes 75. If you multiply by 2, obviously you need to divide by 2 also. So divide by 2, this becomes 7. 75 into 7 becomes 525 plus 800 plus 86 square plus minus 136. See, I can explain each and every question, okay? But that's not the point here for simplification. Even you people need to implement those methods what I explained. Else, those methods are just methods, nothing else, right? So how to remember it? Make a note of or prepare a separate sheet and keep it. Else, anything is not going to be beneficial for it. Okay, 6 2 by 3%. What is it? 20 by 3. So it is going to be 6 into 3, 18. 18 is going to be 20 by 3. Or it can be written as what it can be written as. This is 20 by 3%, right? 20 by 3%. That is nothing but 1 divided by 100. That is nothing but 1 divided by 5. 1 by 15. That's nothing but 1 by 15 into 4575. Put down. Answer is 662. 8.25% multiplied by 4. 4 multiplied divided by 4. This is 11,000 plus 625 divided by 125 divided by 125. Makes it simple. 8 into 11. 88 plus 5. 88 plus 5 is 93. 93 plus 33 into 8. What is 33 into 8? 11 into 3. 24 into 11. 24 into 11 is 264. 264. 264 plus 93 plus what is 1 by 15 into 4575? 305. 305 plus 264 plus 93 is going to give you 660. All are like, you're not telling quickly, I'm not able to understand. These are simplifications practice. You want me to solve it? You want me to solve it? Yeah, should I solve it? Okay. Okay. All see here for this problem. For those who did not understand it. Okay. This 6 by 2, 3, 6 2 by 3 can be written as 6 into 3, 18. 18 plus 2 is 20 divided by 3 percentage. Now this percentage means what? 20 divided by 3 into 1 by 100, right? This is nothing but 1 by 5, or it's computing 1 by 15. 1 by 15 is the simplified version of 6 2 by 3%. So it can be written as 1 by 15 into 4575 plus 8.25. I said whenever you get decimals, try to convert it into a complete whole number. So 0.25 into 4 is going to give me 1. So I'm going to multiply this by 4 and divide this by 4. So this is going to give me 8. 4 8s are 32. 4 into 8 is 32 plus 1 is going to give me 33 into 8. Right? All clear till here? Yes. Plus 11 625 divided by 125. This can be split into 11,000 divided by 125 plus 625 divided by 125. Yes or no? Yes. 11,000 divided, or 1,000 divided by 125 is 8. So this becomes 11 into 8. Yes. 11 into 8. And this is nothing but 5 times. 88 plus 5 is 93. 93. So this becomes 1 divided by 15, 4575. That is nothing but 305 plus 33 into 8 is 11 into 24. That is nothing but 11 into 3. So 3 into 8 is 24. 11 into 24 plus 93. This whole thing gives you 660. 305 plus 264 plus 93. Clear? All are like mesmerized, isn't it? Okay. Mesmerized. Okay. Is it a verb or is it something else? That's interesting. Okay. Okay. Just go back and check it out, whatever it is. समझ रहे? Understood? Understood? Okay, 41 square. Okay, whenever you get a number ending with 1, I also had mentioned this, but I don't know. Okay, 41 into 41. Instead of doing the normal method, you can do this. 1 into 1 is 1. 4 into 4 is 16. 4 plus 4 is 8. 4, 6. This becomes your answer. Okay, multiply the extremes, add the last two numbers. 4 plus 4 is going to give you 8. That's it. So 31 into 31 is going to give you 1 into 1 is 1. 3 into 3 is 9. 3 plus 3 is 6. 9, 61. Okay, this is only for numbers ending with 1. Multiplication of numbers ending with 1. Not only for this, you can do it for 61 into 31, 61 into 21, whatever. But for numbers ending with 1. Okay, so that you can do it. 37, I hope. Okay, pretty much simple one, straightforward. Next, 12.125. What's the method? What's the multiplying factor here? 8. Who said 4? After doing so many problems, divide by 8, multiply 8. 1175 divided by 25 is answer for this. You just give me 47. So 1175 can be written as 1000 plus 175. So 1000 divided by 25, 175 divided by 25. Okay. Okay. Next 39. What is 306 the whole square? Sir, you only thought till 100. How will you know for bigger numbers? Yes. Okay. Let's see how to do it for bigger numbers. Okay. Now, how much is it more than 300? 6 more than. So add these things. 306 plus 6 is 3112. Okay. So 3112. Next you can do. This is 300. The base is 300, right? So you need to multiply it with the multiplying factor of 3. It is going to be 936. And then 6 square is 36. 936. Nahi samjha? Okay, the base 300. The next question is 308. How much is it more than 300? 8. So 308 plus 8 is 316. The multiplying factor is going to be 3. So 316 into 3 is 900. 16 3s are 948. And then 8 square is what? 18. Okay. Okay. What's the root of 7744? Root of 7744 is 88. Okay. It ends with 4. It can either be 2 or 8. So now you have to find out the closest square for 77. That is nothing but 8 8s are 64. It can either be 82 or 88. 85 square is going to give you 7225. 7225 is lesser than the given number. So the higher number becomes the answer. It is nothing but 88 plus 100. Okay. 43 into 47. 45 is between number, right? Then you start solving it. Easier. Okay. This 44 you can split it as 11 into 4. This you can split it as 11 into 4 and then you can solve it. The same method you need to implement it. 2 by 3 into 1200. What's it? What is 2 by 3 into 1200? What is 54 square? 41 cube. I did not teach you. Just leave it right now. Okay. What is 35% of 1400? Split it. Split percentages. 30 plus 5%. 30 plus 5%. What's 10% of? You can do it. Else. Others. If you do not want to do it with 35, multiply it by 2. Becomes 70% of 14 into 30. Because 1% of 1400 will be 14. No, you can do it. You can do it. The percentages cancels with the zero. Then you can do 14 into 30. Finish it. Whichever is more easier, then you can do it. Else, if you want to do it in percentages itself, it becomes into 2 divided by 2. It becomes 70% of 700. It is more easier. 10% is 70. 7% is 490. 490. Okay. 25% of 1680. How can you represent 25%?
1 by 4.
1 by 4, exactly. So now the percentages concepts comes into picture. 1 by 4 of 1680. 45% of 4600. How will you represent it? Now you can cancel those. This percentage cancel with these two zeros, become 45 into 46 equal to 645 plus. Okay. This one 44. 388 square.
So that 45 and 46, how we make it easily.
Okay. Okay. See here. 45% is nothing but 45 divided by 100 into 4600. So these two zeros cancels with these two zeros. So it ends with 45 into 46. Right. Else you can do it 90% of 2300. Whatever it is. Okay. Everything is going to give you the same answer. Whichever is more easier to multiply for you, do that. Now for 388 square. How many people are like again how to do 388 square? Okay. How much is it lesser than 400? 12. 12 lesser than 400. What is 388 minus 12? 376. 376 into 4 because now the base has changed to 400. So it becomes 1504. 1504. So next your 12 square is going to be 144. Going to be 144. So it is going to be 150544. 150544 is that okay? Okay. So next problems until 52. I will give the sheet to you people along with another sheet. Okay. Every question needs to be practiced on your own without fail. Keep a timer 20 seconds for each question, not more than that. If you are taking more than 20 seconds, something is going wrong. Rectify. Okay. More than 20 seconds, not for each question. 20 seconds, that's it. And whatever is explained in speed math, make it a sheet and keep it with you. It should be handy. If you are not following the methods of speed math, else if you have your own methodologies to do multiplication, division, percentages, at least have that in as a hand sheet with you. Okay. So it should become easier. Okay. Online, all clear? 99 into wait. 99 into 14, 999 into 234, 9999 into 453. Okay. So when you get these kind of numbers, how do you do it? 100 into 1000 is one of the methods. Okay. Else 14 minus 1 is 13. Right. 14 minus 1 is 13. From 1, how much do you require to reach 9? How much more to reach 8? From 3, how much more to reach 9? 6. 1386. And this is 234 minus 1 is 233. From 2, how much to reach 9? 7. From 3, how much to reach 9? 6. From 3, 6. This becomes your answer. And here it becomes 4 digits into 3 digits. Whenever you get these kind of numbers, add a 0 in front of it. So it becomes 0, 4, 5, 2. From 0, in order to reach 9, how many digits more? 9. From 4, 5. From 5, 4. From 2, 7. Okay. This becomes a easier method to solve a number multiplied by 99, 999. Okay. Because in your simplification, most of the questions will be with 999. Okay. Okay. So with this said, just have in your mind, prepare a sheet of your speed math, solve these questions, keep a timer for 20 seconds. If you are taking more than 20 seconds for each problem, something is going wrong in the event, rectify it as soon as possible. Okay. Fine. Thank you very much.